cloudy today.
Yep, here we are, another video off ice skating again. We're a bit tired today though, because we've both been at work. Started at 5 o'clock this morning. Fuck's sake. I'm fucking bollocks,
Why
aren't
do
I?
you always fucking butt in when I say something?
Sorry, go on.
It's a bit cloudy today.
It is a bit cloudy, yeah.
Why is that?
Why is that?
You said that we had this solar maximum for fucking how long?
Well,
It's sunshine,
well, it's not
not
cold,
fine.
is it? You can't stop clouds coming over, can you? It's moisture in
How far
here.
away are they?
How far away is what?
Clouds.
These ones?
Yeah.
Probably a few thousand feet.
How far is the sun away then? Is that why it's not shining through? Have we gone away from it? Have we moved away from it?
Excuse me. Hang on, let me fucking cough and I'll answer you.
I don't have fucking coffee, I'm just saying.
Anywhere between 92 and 93 million miles.
Yeah, but have we got further away from it? Is that why it's dull today then?
No.
Has all the clouds gone in front of the sun?
In front of the sun, yeah.
Yeah, but the clouds are in the earth, aren't they?
Look, if you go on an aeroplane, right? You've been on an aeroplane, haven't you?
Of course I have,
You go
yeah.
above the clouds, it's sunny as fucking tit, no matter
Yeah.
what.
Yeah.
Well, we're below clouds, aren't we?
Yeah, but the clouds are white, so why aren't it shining through? It's not as if the black is it, not hiding the light.
It can't, can it? Can't shine through. It does shine through clouds because it's fucking daylight.
Yeah, but there's no sunshine. I don't get
No
the
sun rays. It can't penetrate.
Rays.
The rays, the heat can, but it can't penetrate through it because the thick clouds.
Why do we
It's
get
moisture.
clouds then?
It's moisture.
Right, okay.
It's moisture. Why do we get clouds? You being serious?
It's because the rain comes out on them, innit?
Because when it's hot,
Yeah.
in hot
I'm
places,
joking, aren't I?
water evaporates into
Well,
vapor,
obviously, don't it?
and then all bunches together after a bit.
And then it comes back down.
And the reason why rainwater isn't salty is because salt is heavy, and when the seawater evaporates, it leaves all the salt behind.
Right.
So it's fresh water, not salt
Salt's
water.
heavy. Salt water's heavy.
Salt water is heavy.
Why do we fucking float on it then?
Salt water is heavier than fresh water.
Yeah, but when I swim in the sea, I can float on it without swimming.
Well, you can fucking float in fucking Alfreton swim baths
No,
without
you can't.
swimming.
No.
Yes, you
no,
can.
can't. Do you know if you go down, that's why you have to have weights and stuff on when you're diving. So it takes you down, so it brings you back up otherwise in the sea.
Well, you still have to do that if you did it in a deep lake.
when you come Caribbean, when we jump in the sea, you just come straight to the top.
I've jumped in the fucking sea. You breathe all air out your fucking lungs, you're not. You'll just sink.
Fucking lost me. Anyway, how does the Earth move round and round all the time? What makes it spin?
Gravity.
So that will never stop.
No. And the sun is eight light minutes away.
Greg, I've told you before. What's light minutes?
I'm going to tell you. Light, because the universe is that big, it's measured in light distances, right?
Why?
Because light travels at 186,000 miles a second. It's the speed limit of the universe. It's the fastest anything can travel.
No, I don't believe you.
I mean, you don't believe me?
Bob Canham said to me.
Oh, well, fuck Bob Canham.
He says when he switches his fucking bedroom light off at the wall, he's in bed before the light goes out.
Yeah, but he's just lying to you, isn't he?
Well, he reckons it. I think he's got a dimmer switch myself, but
Anyway, can I finish?
Yeah.
Right. Light travels at 186,000 miles per second. It's the fastest. It's the speed limit of the universe. Nothing can travel faster. Right. Now listen. What don't you get?
so if everything's fucking fast, why do we fucking go like Mr. fucking Soft when you're in space?
What the fuck are you on about?
I seen that twat from America jump on the moon and he was fucking bouncing really slow.
Well, there's not bouncing, jumping up and down at speed light, is he? That's got nothing to do with speed
I don't
light.
get all this science shit, I don't.
I'm telling you, if you stop butting
I'm
in.
not butting, it just confuses me.
Listen!
Okay!
Light travels in particles called photons, and they travel at 186,000 miles per second, right? So the sun is 8 light minutes away. So if you travelled at light speed at 186,000 miles a second, it will take you 8 minutes to get to the sun.
Ah, there,
Do you get that?
Yeah, I get that. You see, you've explained it better.
That's
this
because
time.
you fucking outlet me.
Yeah,
right.
Because I'm thick as fuck. Well, there
No,
you
you're
go.
not. No, you're not.
Go
Right.
on.
So. Let's say, for instance, the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, right? It's 4.2 light years away, which means if you travelled at light speed, 186,000 miles a second, it would take you 4 years, 2 months to get there.
It's a long fucking time to get to a star, isn't it?
If you travelled like at 20,000, 30,000 miles an hour, like what we can travel in space with space probes and whatnot, it could take you fucking about 100,000 years.
The furthest away is Pluto, isn't it?
Planet. Well, it's not a planet. It's a solar planet. It's an exoplanet. Into
What's an exoplanet? It's a fucking planet.
Sorry, it's a dwarf planet. It's not classed as a real planet.
Well, it will be a fucking dwarf planet. It's that far away. They look that big, wouldn't it?
A real planet is something that orbits a star without the gravitational influence of another celestial body.
Right. Okay. I get that. How does anybody know how far that Pluto is if it takes you fucking over a lifetime to get
It's
there?
about 9 light hours away.
And what's that in years? Fucking long time.
It'd take you about 11, 12 years to get there in a spacecraft.
So you could waste 24 years just going there and back.
Yeah, but you not
Your
make it.
life.
But you not make it
Why?
because there's a lot of things happening in space to your body and that.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, listen to this, right? If this spins you out, listen to this. Now, every time you look out into space, you're looking back in time. Right? Every time, when I look at you, I'm looking back in time.
Why?
Because, again, light enters your eyeballs. And that light takes time to reach your eyeballs. So if I'm looking, when I look at the
Well, I
Andromeda...
don't see it fucking reaching time to get to me. I'm looking for it straight away.
Yeah, no, but it's that fast, isn't it? You're not looking far enough. But when I look at the Andromeda Galaxy, September, the best time to see the Andromeda Galaxy is September time, right? It's in the, obviously, it's in the constellation Andromeda, which is next to the constellation Pegasus.
You're fucking talking foreign to me.
But just listen, hear me out, right? It's 2 million light years away, right?
Yeah.
The Andromeda Galaxy is 2 million light years away. So if you travelled at 186,000 miles per second, which is what? Light speed.
Yeah.
It will take you 2 million years to get to that galaxy,
Well, you won't get there then, would you?
right? So when you look at that galaxy from here, you are looking at it as it looked 2 million years ago. You understand that?
I don't fucking, yeah.
You understand that?
Yeah, but it's a load of bollocks.
Why is it a load of bollocks?
Who knows all this fucker?
It's scientists, Darren.
How do they know? They're not 2 million year fucking old,
They're
are
not,
they?
they're not like us. They don't fucking spray airplanes all day, do they?
No, but you know all about it. You ought to go into that industry.
Because I read. I listen to
You ain't got hard to get time to fucking read and listen. You're always fucking skating.
Listen. So now this, I'm building up to this last bit before I wrap this up, right? Because you're getting on my nerves. Right. So if you could teleport, not travel, it's a difference.
I know what teleport.
Yeah, I know
I've
you.
seen the
I know.
film.
I know you do. You've seen The Fly, haven't you?
Yeah, I've seen
right.
the film,
Listen. If you could don't make sure it don't get in there with you though, otherwise you'll turn into it.
Right.
Right. So, but if you could teleport to a planet 65 million years ago, sorry, 65 million light years away,
Yeah.
right? But you got to teleport in an instant. You can't travel to it.
Yeah.
Right? You've got to teleport there. So if you travelled to a planet which is 65 million years, oh, fuck's sake, 65 million light years away,
Yeah.
and then you looked back at Earth through a telescope, powerful enough to see Earth really, really good, you'd see dinosaurs on Earth.
Fuck off.
Yes, you would.
Honestly.
Yeah, because that's how long it's took the light to travel from Earth to that planet for you to see it.
Fucking
That's
hell.
that. If you could teleport
Yeah, I know what you mean, yeah.
to
Yeah.
in an instant,
Yeah, bang like that.
bang like that, if you knew the exact time and date when the dinosaurs got wiped out with an asteroid, you could teleport, look back, and you'd see the asteroid hitting the Earth. Because that's how long it's took that light to get to that certain place
Yeah.
for your eyes to see it.
Fucking hell, that's good. quite impressed with that, Craig. I
It's,
like
it's
that.
fucking right.
Yeah, no, I believe it. Well, I've got no reason not to believe you.
I don't know, yeah.
You know what I mean? Some fucking flat earthers not believe you. Will they?
If you travelled, I don't know, how long World War II, how long ago were it? 80 years?
1940 something.
80 years.
Yeah.
So if you travelled to a planet 80 light years away, 80 light years,
Yeah.
and you again look back, you'd see fucking Hitler. Fucking, you'd see all fucking Nazis and that.
That's fucking strange, isn't it?
But you can't travel there. Even if we could travel at light, a human cannot travel at light speed.
No.
Even if we could, if we've got the technology to, you still could not travel to these destinations at light speed because time slows down the quicker you get to light speed. So time will slow down for you. So when you look back, it will just fuck everything up. You've got to travel. You've got to teleport in an instant, not travel.
That's not true, is it, teleport? You can't do that.
Well, no, not really. No.
He did on the film.
He did in The Fly, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was his name?
Jeff Goldblum.
That's him, yeah.
I liked him, man. He was shit hot playing scientist.
So
he
why
was.
does he do all that shit then? So if I went all that way to eat dinosaur, he did Jurassic Park.
I know. Yeah. Good films.
Fucking hell, I've learned something new today. That's great, that is. I'll not forget that either. You remind me of this next year. See if I remember.
Why? We're going to teleport somewhere.
No, just what we were talking about, if I remember. If we go all that fucking way, you'll see dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs reigned for about 160 million years now.
You don't think that's a myth?
So, well, no, because they've got geology. The geologists, didn't they?
Anyone can fucking say that, can't they? Well, I found these bones and I make up into a dinosaur.
No, they fucking scientists, the geologists. Anything that ends with an "if," they're fucking clever people.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Fucking hell, what's that called? I haven't seen one of them before.
I don't know. Fucking ugly.
Moose.
Fucking wang.
Yeah, wang.
Anyway, bit of a serious conversation today. Like and subscribe. Couple of daft lads talking bollocks. Well, this wasn't actually bollocks. This was actually true. But yeah, a couple of daft lads talking bollocks. On way to ice skating. Like and subscribe.
Big shout out to Paul.
Big shout out to Paul, the greatest storeman
Of all time.
of all time. Thank you, Alex, for commenting on the other video.
I'm glad we made your Friday very special.
Yeah, glad we made your Friday very special. If anybody wants us to have a chat about a certain thing, a discussion, please comment and we'll have a chat about it and we'll give you our views on it. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Cheerio, toodle pip.